Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 83. Start. Number 1. Dear sirs, I believe that the addressing machine shown on page 22 of your monthly bulletin would be suitable for my use, and if it is satisfactory, I may purchase one, full stop. I should be glad if you would have one of your salesmen call at my office to tell me more about the machine. Full stop. Please ask him to phone before he comes, so that I may be ready for him. Full stop. Yours truly, Number 2. There is a train which leaves Houston for Liverpool at 7 o'clock, and also a train which leaves at 9 o'clock, full stop. You can buy a return ticket for £10, full stop. Number 3. Vast changes have taken place in business and industry in the last 10 years, full stop. I believe that, generally, the changes have been for the better, full stop. Number 4. There is no doubt that wages are higher and that, in general, people work fewer hours than formerly, full stop. However, it is certainly true that workers have to specialize in one line more than ever before, full stop. Number 5. I have gone over the records, and I note that although the business we have done with some firms has been smaller than we hoped, the total sales have been better than we expected, full stop.